How to buy insurance in USA? Buying private health insurance. If your employer does not offer you health insurance as part of an employee benefits program, you may be looking at purchasing your own health insurance through a private health insurance company. A premium is the amount of money an individual or business pays to an insurance company for coverage. Health insurance premiums are typically paid monthly. Employers who offer an employer sponsored health insurance plans typically cover part of the insurance premiums. If you need to insure yourself, you will be paying the full cost of the premiums. It is common to be concerned about how much it will cost to purchase health insurance for yourself. However, there are various options and prices available to you based on the level of coverage you need. When you purchasing your own insurance, the process is more complicated than simply selecting a company plans and having the premium payments come straight out of your paycheck every month. Here are some tips to help guide you through the process of purchasing your own health insurance. How buying health insurance works. Some Americans get insurance by enrolling in a group health insurance plans through their employees. Medicare provides health care coverage to seniors and the disabled, and Medicaid has coverage for low income Americans. Medicare is a federal health insurance program for people who are 65 or older. Certain young people with disabilities and people with end stage renal diseases may also qualify for Medicare. Medicaid is a public assistance healthcare program for low income Americans regardless of their age. If your company does not offer an employer sponsored plan, and if you are not eligible for Medicare or Medicaid, individuals and families have the option of purchasing insurance policies directly from private insurance companies or through the health insurance marketplace. Scanners when you might need private health insurance. There are certain circumstances that make it more likely that you will need to purchase your own health insurance plans. A young adult 26 years of age or older. Under the provisions of the Affordable Care Act of 2010, young people can be covered as dependents by their parents' health insurance policy until they turn 26-year old. After that, they must seek out their own insurance policy. Unemployed. If you lose your job, you may be eligible to maintain coverage through your employer's health insurance plan for a period of time through a program called the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act (COBRA) allows eligible employees and their dependents the options to continue health insurance coverage at their own expenses. While coverage through COBRA can be maintained for up to 36 months under certain circumstances, the cost of enrolling in COBRA is very high. This is because the formerly employed person pays the entire cost of the insurance. Typically, employers pay a portion of healthcare premiums on behalf of their employees. Important. As part of the American Rescue Plan, the government will reimburse COBRA cost by 100% if the taxpayer lost a job due to COVID-19. This is subsidy will last from April 1, 2021 through September 30, 2021. The subsidy is tax free and will be paid in advance. A part time employee. Part time jobs rarely offer health benefits. A part time job is any position that requires employees to work a lower number of hours than would be considered full time by their employer, or 40 hours per week. If you work part time, you usually must enroll in your own health insurance. Self employed. A self employed person may work as a freelancer or own a business. Some self employed people can get health insurance through a spouse plan. If not, they must provide their own health insurance. A business owner who has employees. If you start a business and you have employees, you might be required to offer them health insurance. Even if it is not required, you might decide to offer health insurance in order to be a competitive employer that can attract qualified jobs candidate. In this situation, you will be required to purchase a business health insurance plan, also known as group